So Rich, tell us about this Honda S2000 we've got on the dyno today.
Okay, well my customer has been very brave. He's asked for a full race kit on his road car. So it's 536 horsepower and that's more than enough for the road for two-wheel drive in a 1200 kilo car, and he's going to have a lot of fun with it. And it drives so beautifully. It's got no power band, it just runs from idle to red line. It's linear power all the way through. And instant throttle response. Not like a turbo where you've got this bit of elastic and you're not sure what's going to spin you off in the ditch the next time you operate the throttle. So he's going to be really, really happy with this. It's got a monster intercooler. It's got the ROTREX C3891. It's got cold air duct to the air filter. And he's got this monster intercooler, which is 110mm deep, 350mm high, and 450 long. So she's a proper intercooler, and charge temperatures stay really, really low. And that's the key to good horsepower, is have a good intercooler, free flowing system, big pipes to keep the pressure drops down, so the engine sees the supercharged boost, not the pipework seeing the boost and it getting dropped across it. And we made big gains on all our systems by running big pipework, free flowing, huge intercoolers. We don't have a problem with turbo lag, so there's always residual boost in the system because the supercharger is always making boost. So we can go big on pipework and big on intercooler without any detriment. So there she is, 536 horsepower, 314 foot-pound of torque. 536 and 314 foot-pound of torque.
Wow.
With a curve that isn't a curve, it's a straight line.
So I guess this is going to surprise quite a few people on the road.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's not your usual S2000. And yeah, it's going to be a joy to drive, I'm sure.